Christine may have been the wife that saved the bacon, but watching her eat a plate of nachos nearly doused Cody's growing affection for her.
Cody, there was a chili nacho cheese incident that nearly derailed this courtship.
I know, he was so silly.
Did you
How
even
could
realize
that pull down any relationship, please? Me wolfing down nachos, come on.
Cody wrote, Christine was the cutest girl in the world, although she was a little chubby.
I was pretty chubby.
But does size matter to you, Cody? I mean, were you grossed out by, you said she was chubby and she was eating the nacho cheese?
I will be honest, I was not attracted to Christine in any kind of physical sense. I mean, I look back in retrospect and I wonder, was that fair? But I can't even look there because we have children together, we have a life together, we have a relationship, and we found our sweet spot.
So you were not physically attracted to Christine?
That's an understatement.
You were grossed out by her?
I won't say that, but the nachos grossed me out enough to make me go, okay, I'm waiting to marry her.
How does it feel to hear her?
It's horrible.